I've owned a corded electric lawnmower for years, and I just replaced it with this EGO Power LM2101 battery-powered mower. Nothing wrong with my old one, but I wanted to go cordless. The model I got is the push mower, but they do have a self-propelled model also. The EGO mower is definitely bulkier and heavier than my old corded mower, but much lighter than a gas-powered one thanks to all the plastic parts. This has a 21-inch deck, which is one of the largest on the market, and initially I thought the deck was made of metal, but it's also made of plastic. But let's take a closer look and see what the EGO Power electric lawnmower has to offer. Height adjustment is easy to change just by moving a single lever. There are 6 positions and each lock in very securely. On the back of the motor housing, there's an LED indicator and a button for the front headlights. And yes, you heard right, this mower has LED lights in case you want to mow at night when it's cooler. The battery compartment is located right on top, and the battery pops out by pressing the release button. I'm going to put this on the charger for now and give it a bit more juice before cutting my lawn. The included quick charger can be wall mounted, and it has a built-in fan so it does make noise when it's charging, so just be aware of that. I'm outside and I can still hear it with all the ambient noise around. Out of the box, the EGO mower comes folded up, but it's super easy to flip out the handle. The collapsible handle really reduces the size and makes it easy for storage, which I'll demonstrate later. One of the first things you need to do is take out the plastic plug in the discharge chute. You would keep this in place if you want to mulch, but take it out if you're going to bag your grass. The bag that comes with the EGO mower does need a bit of assembly, but it slips onto the back seamlessly. There's also a side discharge attachment if you don't want to bag your grass. This attachment just slips in and is held in by the pressure of the rear cover. Okay, so it looks like the battery is fully charged, and now I'm ready to cut some grass. The handle has 3 height adjustments, and it goes pretty low in case you want to get your kids in on the joy of mowing your lawn. To start the mower, there's a safety button that needs to be pressed before the motor will run. This summer, my lawn is mostly dead, but I found a few shady spots where it's still growing. The EGO Power battery-powered lawnmower is surprisingly quiet, and because of the low noise, I can actually mow my lawn later in the evening without disturbing my neighbors. With the 56V 5 amp hour battery, it has a runtime of about 45 minutes on a single charge. One of the nice things is that if you own multiple EGO Power products, the batteries are all interchangeable on their other tools like trimmers and leaf blowers. Finally, here's how you store the EGO Power mower when you're done. It folds up nice and compact so the handle doesn't take up a lot of room. And speaking of storage, there's one more handy feature they built in. This EGO Power battery-powered mower can be stored upright thanks to the little feet on the end. I believe that this LM2101 push mower is the lowest priced mower in their lineup. This one's $400 and the price goes up depending on the additional features. But pay attention to what's included because some models don't come with batteries or chargers. But I guess it all depends on whether you already own other EGO Power products. They also sell replacement blades for all their models in case you need a new one in the future. I really like how quiet the motor is and how easy it is to fold up for storage. But if you're looking to get away from gas mowers, this EGO battery-powered electric mower is definitely worth considering. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.